Pala sa My Day mo, kinilig ang community. Ano ang story behind dito, Sanford?
Syempre, of course,
Kung birthday ng crush mo, paano mo siya babatiin?
happy birthday, Dol.
Ano ibig sabihin ng dol?
Idol.
Idol.
Bakit? Bakit? Happy birthday! Kung kasi naman may birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ano yan?
Ay, appeal pala dapat.
Appeal.
Winter Crown by Sanford.
Uh-oh, Glorious Pathway plus the RWM. 3 in jeopardy. And he's going to get taken down here. Oh! Flicker's out of here. Lord is inside the base.
There's Zyda.
Stone with that Crimson Beacon already. Chocno
Zyda.
defensive use of the AOG. Sanford without half health. Pops that Crimson Beacon. Zyda went in a little too deep. Gets taken down. 4-man defense. Lord is down. Liquid inside the base. 13k up. TNC still breathing.
Still breathing for now. They got a wave in mid to push in. They just have to clear this out.
Chocno blocking that wave. Stone daring the rest of Liquid to try and come in. JP obliges, drops that Glorious Pathway. Chocno very low. That is the unbreakable backwards. Gets taken down by Carl. The base and what happens? Tony comes in with a blazing duet. And that's all she wrote. Liquid sweeps TNC.
Sobrang ganda din talaga ng performance mo, Sanford. Mukhang nagmamadali ka atang umuwi ngayon. Parang ang bilis niyong tinapos. What inspires you today in this match?
Siyempre, nanonood po yung ate ko. Galing Canada.
Oh, wow!
Dun sa mga pinsan ko andyan.
Wow, shout out to you, ate. And meron ka pa bang gustong batiin this day?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dol.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. To you. Kung sino ka man, Dol, tingnan muna natin ang MVP.
Happy birthday po kay Mingwin.
Mingwin. Idol ka talaga.